Greetings, greetings, Queen Yen here. And I wanted to make sure you are aware of the event that we're having at the close of the year on December the 22nd. That's a Sunday at 5 p.m. I am hosting Seven, a Chakra opening dining experience. This is an event that I used to do a few years back with my sister Tina Meyer. She used to come in and just really spoil us with her food. I used to do a meditation and we just kind of vibed out. Used to have the music, the DJ. So it was a beautiful event. And I'm so grateful to be hosting it again. This go round, I am hosting it with my sister, Chef B. Chef B is a renowned Atlanta-based chef who comes with plant-based, essential oil infused dishes. Her food is delicious. And for this event, she is offering 7 courses. Each one of those courses is chakra themed. And so it's going to be an amazing dining experience. Alongside Chef B, we have Tamaka. Tamaka is a modern day medicine woman who uses sound therapy as her one of her healing modalities. And she's going to be doing sound treatments throughout the night, using voice, using instruments. And so the vibe is going to be just super nice. You can find both of those stars online and see what their background is. Beautiful, beautiful sisters. So glad to have them to come to the event. You also get a gift bag from OU Marketplace, and that gift bag is going to include various items to support keeping your chakras open. Okay, and this dinner or dining experience was inspired by the Fortifying the Chakras course that I did few in the past several months. So we had about 47 people attend that course. And, there was so many breakthroughs, and it just was like, I just wanted to do something nice to celebrate the work that people have been putting in, that self work that is beneficial for not just themselves, but their families, their friends, and the world. Because the more your light shine, the more it impacts my light. And so this is somewhat like a celebration for them, but I did open it up to the public a bit, not much, but what I for sure wanted to do is make sure the OU Ministries family, which is you, if you are on this email list, if you are getting this, if you're watching this, that means you are a family member of OU Ministries. And so I want to see you. So if you tune into the YouTube channel regularly, come commune with your family. If you are a member, come commune with your family. If you are part of the Fortifying the Chakras class, come commune. If you tend to go to the garden and purchase her produce, you attend the sound baths. If you are in any way, shape, form a supporter of OU Ministries, and have gained some benefit from OU Ministries in any way, shape, form, then I would love to see you in the space to celebrate, the goodness, the glory of life. All right. So this event is December the 22nd, 5 o'clock p.m. We're going to go till about 8, 9-ish. We're going to let spirit move. So if you're not in Atlanta, this is definitely worth traveling for. So I hope to see you. Don't let that deter you. It's definitely worth the travel. And it's just going to be nice, beautiful. I just love hanging out with y'all. I love coming together with like minds and light hearts, like minds and light hearts. And so I look forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it. So, of course, space is limited because we are doing it inside here at the garden. We do have a few slots left now, so go ahead and RSVP so we can plan to serve you on that evening. All right. Hope to see you then, December the 22nd, 5 o'clock p.m. Register at the link in caption or bio. Peace and love, y'all.